Let's talk about how we could divide a fraction by another fraction. In order to divide two fractions, it's helpful to keep in mind this phrase, keep, change, flip. What we're going to do is keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So let's begin. So we'll keep 2 over 3, we'll change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. Now we can multiply across. 2 times 5 is 10, 3 times 1 is 3. So the answer is going to be 10 over 3. This is an improper fraction. But for now, we'll leave the answer like that. I'll have another video that talks about how to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers. In fact, you could do a YouTube search, how to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers, organic chemistry tutor, and my video should come up in the search box. Now, for the second example, let's keep the first fraction, let's change division to multiplication, and let's flip the second fraction. Notice that we could cancel a 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1, and so what we have left over is a 4 on top and a 3 on the bottom, so the answer is going to be 4 over 3. So that's how you can quickly divide two fractions together. By the way, for those of you who want more example problems or even other math topics, feel free to check out my website, video-tutor.net, and you can find more example problems on a lot of math related topics. Thanks for watching.